Hey, what's going on, y'all? We got some turnips today that are already sliced up in my mandolin at that number 2 setting, and they're gonna be so tasty. Meatless Monday in full effect, y'all. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So first thing we need to do, we need to get our slices inside of our boiling water. Pretty simple. Now, to this boiling water, I have added a teaspoon of salt. That's gonna help with taking some of that bitterness out of our turnips and giving us a much better flavor. Now we're gonna let these boil at a high boil for about 5 minutes. Then after our 5 minutes have passed, we're gonna go ahead and get them out and get them into our colander. Just to drain off that little extra water. You know what I'm saying. And after we get these out, we're gonna let them sit for about 5 minutes just to make sure all that water drains out. While we're waiting for our turnips to dry out, we're gonna go ahead and grease us up a pan. Now I'm using a pie pan, but you can use any dish as long as it's deep enough to accommodate how many turnips that you want to use. Now, we're just gonna simply lay out our turnips in a nice even layer at the bottom of our pan. Just like you see here. Then once we get our layer down, we're gonna go ahead and add our cheese. Now, I'm using cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar to be exact. And then a combination of mild cheddar. Now, you can use whatever kind of cheese you wish. It's up to y'all. But I think that cheddar really makes it taste good. Now, to that we're gonna add us about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and then we're gonna keep on stacking with them layers. Now once we get it all stacked up, we're gonna get it into the oven at 420 degrees. Now we're simply just trying to melt this cheese, and once we're done, look what it looked like, y'all. Now of course you know I had to put a little extra cheese on the top because of wifey. She loved that cheese, y'all. Oh my goodness, don't it look so ooey and gooey? And hey, this is a turnip dish. You don't even really need to like turnips to like it. Ain't that nothing? They bring an amazing flavor with that cheese that you really wouldn't expect. So let's get this plate together. And oh man, this is already looking good to me. Smelling good. I'm getting hungry. So I gotta give this a taste. And oh yeah, y'all. Oh yeah. Enough talking. Let's taste it. See, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.